Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to stop sharing accounts on Instagram. First up here, you just need to open your Instagram app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then here tap on the settings and privacy. Now under the settings and privacy, tap on this account center. Now here on Account Setter, you'll find all the connected accounts on your Instagram. If you tap on Profiles, you'll find all the accounts right here. Now if you want to stop sharing accounts on Instagram, go back to Account Setter and here scroll down, then tap on Accounts right here at the bottom. Now all you need to do here, just need to find the account that you want to stop sharing. In this case, I just want to tap on this Remove button. And then here Remove Account. And on the next page, tap on Continue. Now on the next page, you'll be asking to create a password. So basically, just need to tap on Not Now button right here at the bottom and tap on Continue. And here, tap on Yes, remove this account. And once you've done here, as you can see on your screen, that account will be removed from your Instagram account. So that's how you basically stop sharing accounts on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.